Ooh, ooh, ooh. I don't think you guys know, but I'm not a flower girl. I'm a tree flower girl. So yes, this is our new little tree that Johanner has gotten us. Whoa. You wanna see yourself? Say what's up, babe.
What's up, babe? No, it's good.
You excited about our tree, babe?
Oh,
Can you see yourself? Can you see?
I love it.
Can you see yourself?
Yeah. A little more up. Right there.
Are you excited for our tree, babe?
I'm excited.
Aren't you excited for the summer period?
Beautiful.
You're gonna be doing so much stuff to the house, aren't you? So here is Bob the Builder / landscaper now.
I'm a handyman. What can I say?
He's a handyman. But
this summer we're gonna build the pergola.
oh my gosh, guys, I'm like super excited about, like, completely excited. I got so many hairs on my face for the house this summer. We have a lot of projects. Yoyo's gonna be working on a lot of projects. Little vlog since we've been MIA. So yeah, we're just out here planting our tree. Yeah. So there you see Jalen. She's a little fuzzy because she's been teething, so y'all know that. Hashtag teething moms out there. Out of groceries, so I need to like go and get some groceries. So we'll probably, after they're done doing that, we'll probably head to I think Walmart and get some stuff because I have nothing at home. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit after we head back from Walmart and just kind of show you. I don't know if I'll cook today. I think I might cook today. I don't know. What are you craving, babe?
I'm still full.
He never knows. Like, dinner in this house is like non-existent. We never know what we want. Know about this. Y'all know about this life. If you know my friend, you know I'm a Starbucks fanatic. Ooh, ooh, ooh. If you my friend, if you my friend, like if you for real my friend, you know mama, you know mama loves this. Come on, focus. Focus. Oh yeah. If you're my friend, you know I love me some Starbucks. So I don't know if you've seen, but they've came out with the new, is it called like clouds? Because literally like all that is like all that's empty pretty much is like foam, like froth milk. Let me get this right. Ice caramel cloud macchiato. It's really good. Like, you guys gotta try it. If you haven't gone out there, go try it, guys. So that's what I'm sipping on now, because mama needs some caffeine. See you soon. Say thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. Hey. Woo. Hey. Alright, I'll see y'all in a bit. Alright guys, so we did actually go to Walmart and we came back and I picked up some stuff that I needed to make dinner. So I thought I'd share my dinner recipe with you guys. I'm gonna make, it's actually Pinterest inspired. It's like sausage with shrimp, like a little like zucchini fry, stir fry, but there's stuff that it called for that I'm not gonna use. Like it's like a Cajun seasoning, I think that's what it's called. But it called for like Cajun seasoning. I didn't have that, and also sweet onion. I forgot to pick it up. That's the only reason why. But I'm adding like, so instead of the Cajun seasoning, I'm just adding like seasonings that I use. So I'll show you in a bit. And adding some garlic, but let me show you guys. All right, so here are the ingredients, guys. I am gonna be using 2 zucchinis because I love zucchini, 1 bell pepper, 1 green pepper, some sausage, beef palakna, so like the sausage or whatever, raw shrimp from this, I got it from Walmart. And I like to do the raw one. I used to do the pre-cooked one, but my mom says that this one tasted better, and she made a dinner one night and I really loved it. So we're going to be using the small raw shrimp, and I'll probably just, sorry, this camera takes a while to cook it. I'll probably, it's a 12 ounce, so I'll probably just do 6 ounce, so half of this, because we don't want it to taste too seafoodish. And here are my seasonings, so just salt, black pepper. And in my last cook with me, I showed you guys this Sazon Goya. It's culantro and achote, colander and annatto. So you can get it at Walmart too. I know Amazon carries it too. I'll link all the stuff down below, but this is what I'll use. I'll use 1 little pouch of that, and obviously my all-purpose seasoning, Goya adobo. So that's what I'll be using. But yeah. So I would actually cut them like slanted. That's how I like to cut them. I don't know if anybody else has a preference. Alright guys, so everything's cut up. I actually did end up using the whole sausage, but I'll probably only use half of the shrimp like I told you guys, because we like shrimp, but not that, like, we don't want it to taste too shrimpy, I guess. I don't know if that's a correct word. So yeah, let's get this frying. And I'm gonna start off with the sausage here. And I'm actually gonna cook it in the wok, because I like to cook like stir fries in my wok. Any like fryer will work. Yeah, there's the beans that it's gonna go with it. And there is baby Jalen's little carrots. Thought I'd share that with you, I don't know why. But let's see if the heat's good. It needs to be a little bit more hot. We'll wait for it. So I liked for it to be hot enough for it like to sizzle when you like throw it in there. And I didn't put too much, probably like like a teaspoon of oil, just to have it, for frying a little bit. So it wasn't too much oil, just some oil. Excuse my stovetop's a little dirty. But let's get this stuff frying, guys. Oh, and I forgot to mention I had already diced like 2 garlic cloves. We're adding the zucchini because it is kind of hard, so it takes a little bit longer to cook. Just let it like cook for a bit, like a minute or 2, and then right after that just start adding the bell peppers so they can soften up too. I would actually wait and add the shrimp like right when everything's kind of cooked, because shrimp does cook fast, so just a couple minutes after. So after letting it cook for like 5 minutes, I'm gonna add the coriander and annatto, like half a pack of it, because I'm gonna leave the other half when I add the shrimp. Sorry, it's kind of loud in here. And then also half of a teaspoon of pepper and half teaspoon of salt. I do like 3 shakes of the Goya, adobo Goya, to the stir fry. I don't know if it's stir fry or whatever. I wait till a little bit after so it kind of like cooks with the vegetables. So yeah, I kind of like to add the garlic at the end because it gives it a really good flavor. I don't know, that's just my preference. But it's been about like 10 minutes cooking. Looks really good, guys. I'm super excited. I usually cook it like between medium and high. Excuse baby Jalen in the background, she's been fuzzy. Alright, I'm adding the shrimp now, guys. Try to make sure that water doesn't go in there. So I have added the shrimp. So we're gonna add the rest of the annatto and coriander, the rest of the pouch, so it gives the shrimp some flavor and color. See, after like 10 minutes after I added the shrimp, so a total of 20 minutes, I think it's 25-30 minutes is when it's cooking, or even less. This just depends how you guys like it. Cook the vegetables a little more because the boys actually don't like vegetables, So I feel like if I do cook it a little more, they'll eat it, you know. So it's kind of like a mom thing. But if it was my preference, they would be like whole, like you know what I'm saying, like kind of like less cooked. So I did already make rice in the rice pot. So we're gonna have rice with it. And here is the finished product. Excuse my napkin. But it tastes delish, so I highly recommend it to you guys. And there's my soda. So if you guys haven't tried this soda, it's called Sidral Mundet. They sell it at Walmart. I don't know if all Walmarts have it or not, but it's delish, guys. It's like apple soda. It's like only 90 calories per 8 ounces, I think. It's not bad, you know, if you want to get that soda itch. But yeah, guys, it's pretty good. So I'm gonna eat.